I'm going to continue talking about the mole gram worksheet, the bottom part, the B part, okay, mole to gram. Now, 1 mole has a definition of like how many gram in 1 mole. So this is just like a conversion factor. I can write the conversion factor as 1 mole on the top, gram on the bottom, or I can write the gram on the top, the mole on the bottom. My target is I want to cancel the unit. So just like the Superman. So 2 questions given to you, reference answer are given. You have to have 2 places. And again, your scientific notation only needed when you have exponent greater than equal 3 or less than equal negative 3. So example here, I got mm of Li is 6.94 gram per mole. What is my mole if I have 15 gram of lithium? So we look it up, Li, mm is 6.94, actually only 6.94. And then I'm going to set up Superman, 15 gram Li, all right, number, unit, what it is. And 6.94 gram per mole actually has 2 ways to write. 6.94 gram Li over 1 mole Li. This is one way to write. Another way is 1 mole Li over 6.94 gram Li. So this is like, they just flip it. It's the same thing. So if I want to cancel the unit, so which I should put, it should be the second one, because the second one have the gram here. I can cancel the gram. So I'm going to use the second one, 6.94 gram on the bottom, and then 1 mole on the top. So I need to cancel 2 things always. I cancel the gram, and I also cancel what it is. You always need to cancel 2 things. One is the unit, one is what it is. And then I'm going to write it 15 times 1 mole over 6.94. And then I multiply it out. I write down whatever the calculator gave me. This number is not too big. It's not like, it's not too big, it's not too small. And I'm going to leave it in scientific notation, but I need to round it to 2 places. So 2.16 mole Li, lithium. Okay. And here's the second example. If I give you 2.4 moles of sulfur, how many grams? So I need to find out the molecular mass of sulfur is 32.06 gram per mole. And then I'm going to set up Superman, 22.40 moles of sulfur. Now in this case, I will put the mole on the bottom because I want to cancel the unit. So I'm going to cancel mole and mole, sulfur and sulfur. So I put 1 mole sulfur on the bottom, 32.06 gram on the top, because I want to cancel the unit and what it is. So I multiply it out. I say 2.40 times 32.06 gram over 1. And my calculator is 76.944 gram. And this number is not too big, not too small. And I can just leave it as actually 79.4 gram sulfur. And my answer is 77, reference answer, so pretty close. So let me just try to do number 3. Okay, so how many moles in 22 grams of argon? So molecular mass of argon is 39.95 gram per mole. You always need to write down a unit, then you know what number go to what unit. So mm of Ar equals to 39.95 gram per mole. So I'm going to set up Superman, 22 gram of argon. Okay. All right. So you want to look it up. Okay, I have gram here. That means I want to have the gram on the bottom and the mole on the top. So what number go with my gram? 39.95 gram go together. And the 1 will go to the mole. The 1 mole go to the top. The 39.95 grams to the bottom. So 39.95 gram argon. And then 1 mole argon. You always need to cancel 2 things. One is the unit, one is what it is. So I'm going to cancel the gram and the argon. And I'm going to write it out, 22.0 times 1 mole Ar over 39.95. Okay, so when I'm punching in calculator, I believe I get 0.556068836 mole argon. Now again, this number it's not like the decimal place is not like bigger than 3 or less than -3. So I can just leave it, but I need to round it to 2 places. So it will be 0.55 mole AR. And my reference answer is 0.6, so it's pretty close. Okay. Now, last one is how many grams in 8,810 moles of magnesium. So I'm going to write my mm of Mg is 24.31 gram per mole. All right. And then I'm going to set up the Superman is 8810.0 mole Mg. Okay, so in this case, I think I want my mole on the bottom because I want to cancel the mole. So the mole, the number come with the mole is just 1. Okay, it's per mole. So I'm going to write 1 mole Mg and then 24.31 gram Mg on the top. So always cancel 2 things. 1 is the mole, 1 is the what it is. So I'm going to write 8810.0 times 24.31 gram Mg over 1. Then my calculator will give me the answer 214,171.1 gram Mg. So this is a big number because the exponent would be more than 3. So we're going to change that to scientific notation, then 2 places. So scientific notation will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then after the round it will be 2.14 times 10 to the power 5 gram Mg.